CAMS for Business full review, features, strengths, weaknesses. Links to the product are included in the description if you'd like to learn more or request a demo. CAMS is a comprehensive risk and governance management platform designed to help organizations streamline their risk management, compliance, and internal audit processes. It's particularly well suited for medium to large businesses that require an integrated solution to manage risk, performance, and compliance at scale. CAMS offers a range of features that make it stand out in the crowded GRC, governance, risk, and compliance space. One of its core strengths is its centralized risk management system, which allows businesses to track, assess, and mitigate risks across various departments in real time. It also offers robust incident management tools to log and track issues as they arise, ensuring that organizations stay proactive rather than reactive in managing potential threats. CAMS excels in its ability to provide data-driven insights through customizable dashboards, allowing users to visualize their risk landscape and performance metrics at a glance. This makes it easy for decision-makers to identify areas of concern and take corrective action quickly. The platform also offers automated workflows and task management tools, improving efficiency and reducing manual oversight. With its customizable risk registers, action plans, and compliance tracking features, CAMS is a powerful tool for businesses looking to maintain compliance with regulatory requirements and industry standards. However, while CAMS offers a wealth of features, the platform can be complex for smaller teams or businesses that don't need such an extensive system. The learning curve for new users may be steep, particularly when it comes to setting up customized workflows and reporting. Additionally, the platform's pricing structure may be more suitable for larger organizations, making it less accessible for small businesses with more limited budgets. In conclusion, CAMS is an ideal solution for medium to large organizations looking for an all-in-one platform to manage risk, governance, and compliance effectively. Its scalability, data-driven insights, and comprehensive features make it a top choice for businesses that need to navigate complex GRC challenges. Check out the links in the description for more details.